Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the Wordtune to your Chrome browser. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your Google Chrome browser on your device. And once you open it up, you will see the Chrome Web Store at the home page. Just click on this and this will take you to the Chrome Web Store page. Now you can search for the Wordtune extension by typing in Wordtune at the search box and starting your search. However, you will see that there is no Wordtune extension available for your Chrome browser. So if you need to install Wordtune or use it with your browser, then simply type in wordtune.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official Wordtune website. Once you are inside this website, you can proceed with logging into your account if you wish to do so by clicking on the login button and using your credentials. But you can also proceed without logging in to install the application web browser version by clicking on the three dots at the top right corner of your browser, and then you can scroll down and hover over to save and share. You will now see install page as app or the create shortcut option. Just click on this option and now you can rename your application. After naming the app whatever you want, tap on the install button and now a shortcut for Wordtune will be created on your desktop, and you can double click on this to directly start using Wordtune within its own separate app on your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add Wordtune on your Chrome browser. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.